My name is Leela. I am 10 years old, and I don't like books. Not even a little. Not even a tiny bit. When I see a book, I feel tired. When I open a book, I feel sleepy. Sometimes I even yawn before reading the first word. My friends love reading, but I don't. They talk about stories, heroes, and magic. They say books can take you to other worlds. They say books can make you dream. But I don't feel the magic. I only feel bored. Very, very bored. At school, reading time is the hardest part of my day. My teacher tells us to read for 10 minutes. Everyone opens their books. Some smile because they love their stories. Some read fast because they want to finish the chapter. Some whisper, "This part is so good." But me, I look at my book and sigh. The words look long. The pages look many. My eyes want to close. My head feels heavy. I try to read, but my mind flies away. I think about lunch. I think about playing outside. I think about anything but reading. One day, something different happens. My grandmother comes to visit. She always brings warm hugs, sweet cookies, and big smiles. She walks into my room and looks around. She sees my toys. She sees my drawings. She sees my clothes on the floor. Then she looks at my bookshelf. It is empty. Completely empty. Not even a small book inside. Grandma turns to me and asks, "Leela, why don't you read?" I look at the floor. I feel a little shy. I tell her, "Books are not fun for me. They make me sleepy." Grandma smiles softly. She sits beside me and holds my hand. She says, "Maybe you did not find the right book yet." I blink. I don't understand. A book is just paper, right? Words on paper. How can a book be right or wrong? A book is a book. You read it or you don't. Grandma opens her bag. Inside is a small book. It has a blue cover and a picture of a tiny door. The door looks like it leads to a secret place, a place only some people know. She puts it in my hands and whispers, "Try this one, Leela. Just 1 page a day." She smiles again. "It may surprise you."